Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your email on DreamHost. So once you have logged into your DreamHost account, you want to go ahead here to the left side and click on Mail and Manage Mail. Now I already have created my email, so I cannot add a new one, additional one, because when I click here, as you can see, I have maxed out my plan. So if you also can only have one fully hosted email, you can also choose a forward only. So I'm just going to do that. And after that, you can just create a new one here. But if you don't want to do that, you can just basically click right here, delete the email, and add a new one, and then you will have this changed one. So we can also go ahead here and you will be able to delete email address here or disable it. But basically you can, of course, you cannot change the mailbox login, and you can only change the mailbox name. So if you want to add a new one, you will need to go ahead and add a new mail and delete this one if you cannot have a few hosting emails. So yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.